Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the CapCut Pro for free on PC. So in here, as you guys can see, I've already on the CapCut PC. And if you want to get CapCut Pro for free because you don't want to spend a dime, you can just follow these steps right here. So in CapCut PC, you can just click on this invite friends options, and there will be this pop-up where you can see what you should do to get the CapCut Pro for free. So by inviting your friends, you can get free Pro. For each friends that install and launch CapCut Desktop from your invite link in here, you will both get a 7-day free Pro. So not only you that can get the CapCut Pro, but your friends will also get it. So you can enjoy Pro benefits on CapCut Mobile and also desktop, and you can get up to 70 days of free Pro by inviting 10 of your friends. So you can just click on this copy invite link and then share it with your friends and make sure that they launch the CapCut desktop from your invite link. So once your friends is launching or you launch the CapCut desktop from your invite link, you'll see the recap in here, how many friends you've invited and also days of free pro that you've got. So that's pretty easy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also click on the thanks. Bye.